I want to quit my job.
Why do you want to quit your job?
I have some problems at work. I do not feel comfortable anymore,
What kind of problems?
mostly with my manager. I really cannot stand the way he treats me sometimes.
What exactly is the problem with him?
I do not know. I feel he does not understand me.
Did you talk to him about your feelings?
No, never. I keep it to myself.
That could be part of the problem. Sometimes managers do not know there is an issue.
Maybe, but I really want to leave and find another job.
I understand. But before you change your job, you need to try to solve the problem first.
Do you think talking to him will help?
Maybe. You do not always have to leave a job just because it is difficult.
And what if talking does not change anything?
Then at least you know you tried. You have to give communication a chance.
That makes sense. I want a better work environment, but I guess I need to speak up first.
Exactly. Sometimes solving the problem is better than running away from it.
You are right. I will talk to him before I make a final decision.